Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of comfortable and stylish clothing with the ODODOS. Women's Crop 3-Pack Washed Seamless Rib Knit Camisole Crop Tank Tops. If you're looking for the best longline tank top for women on the market, you've come to the right place. Let's start with what makes these tank tops stand out. Crafted from 82% nylon and 18% spandex, these tanks are designed with seamless rib knit fabric for a barely there feel. They offer high stretchability, which means they hug your body for a streamlined look. What I love about these tank tops is their tag-free design and strappy racer back, ensuring comfort without the itch of tags. They're versatile too, you can wear them solo or under a cover-up for a statement look. Whether you're at the gym, doing yoga, or just out for a casual day. Remember, these tanks are hand wash only, and they're imported for that premium quality feel. The pull-on closure makes them easy to wear anytime, anywhere. Looking to style these tanks? They're perfect under a jacket or worn with high-waisted jeans for a chic, everyday look. Their seamless design means no visible lines, giving you that smooth silhouette. In conclusion, if you're in the market for the best longline tank top for women, look no further than the ODODOS Women's Crop 3-Pack Washed Seamless Rib Knit Camisole Crop Tank Tops. They combine comfort, style, and functionality in one package. That wraps up our review for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. Until next time, stay stylish and comfortable.